This is my incredible knot busting machine. Every morning I get up and I'll use it all over wherever I'm aching. You put your arms in the straps and you can literally just move this wherever you want to. It has 2 spinning wheels on either side. You apply the pressure and location as you please, and this is phenomenal in healing. Oh my lord, I feel so good. This is my knot busting machine. It plugs into the wall. It's available 24/7 whenever you need it. You pay for it once and there's no costly fees after. It has this handy control on the sleeve. You have your power button, your speed button, and infrared button. It has 2 balls in the center which rotate either way, and this essentially breaks up the knots that we have in our body.